Hello and welcome, YogoBogo friends, to the first in our series of tutorial videos, How to Manage Your Map Hotspot. In this video, I'll show you a quick overview of the sub-licensee dashboard and finish off by showing you how to manage and make any changes or additions to your business hotspot details, including how to add offers, events, rewards, and geo-treasures. So once we've logged in through the YogoBogo website, it'll bring us to this dashboard. And from here, we can manage and control all aspects of our business hotspot, including viewing user metrics, loyalty rewards, managing subscribers, replying to reviews, and creating and managing beacon campaigns. One thing you'll notice throughout the back-end system is that although it's very simple and straightforward, there are these handy tooltips everywhere to help guide you that much easier if you have any questions. So let's get straight to how to manage your map hotspot by clicking on Add Edit under the Manage My Hotspots tab. This displays a screen with this drop-down menu that lets you select your business to edit or manage. In this scenario, we only have one business to manage, and once we've selected the business from this drop-down menu, this window entitled Edit Hotspot appears. As a sub-licensee, your basic details will have already been set up for you, so you might just want to come here to update your description and key search words, or you might want to add or update photos, or a panorama, or a video, or perhaps add some offers or loyalty reward. So, starting from the top, business name and merchant ID. We can see here that we can edit the business name and description. And most importantly, we can add some key search words that might be used by users. This will help them find your business on the app. The other thing we need to point out here is that if you're using YogoBogo as a loyalty app, under the Merchant ID tab here is where your unique 16-digit merchant ID is displayed. If you do not see this in your dashboard, just tap on the Reset button and that will generate you a new key. Then you can enter this merchant ID into your merchant login menu in the app's main menu page. The next tab here is the Add Photo, Panorama or Video tab, where we can add or update up to 12 photos, or add a panorama, or a video. We can only choose one of these options, and the most popular option is photos. Once again, you'll see tooltips to guide us with relevant information such as suggested picture sizes. Important things to note are that pictures must be saved as JPEG files and in landscape mode. And for best picture results, you should try to crop and resize your pictures to the dimensions shown here, which are 544 pixels high by 768 pixels wide. You can't upload pictures smaller than those dimensions, and if you upload pictures that are not cropped accordingly, your photos may look squished or stretched a little bit. Also, you don't want to load large picture files as it will slow down the loading time for your hotspot. A standard 544 by 768 photo should roughly be around 100 to 200 kilobytes. If you don't have a photo editing application on your computer like Photoshop, there are a number of free online applications that you can use, such as PicResize.com, imageresize.org, or resizeyourimage.com. Once you have your images ready to load, select the number of pictures you want to upload, up to 12 photographs maximum. Navigate to them by choosing Choose Edit File and click on Upload Update Still Pictures. If that's all the changes you're doing at this time, then go to the bottom of the page and click on the Update Details bar to save your changes. Your pictures will now be live and updated on the app. If you choose to upload a panorama or video instead, remember to follow the tooltips for preferred image size for panoramas, which again would be the same minimum height of 544 pixels. There is no preferred length for panoramas, but obviously it must be greater than 768 pixels wide, or else it's just a regular photo. You can upload both 180-degree and 360-degree panoramas, and depending on the type of panoramic photograph you upload, you can then select the correct picture action to tell the application how to handle the panorama correctly. Either a 180-degree, which will stop when the user reaches the edge of the image, or the 360-degree selection, which enables the image to spin around in a complete 360 degrees. The last option is the Upload Movie selection, which allows you to upload a video up to a max of 20 megabytes and in any of the following formats: .mov, .m4v, .3gp, or .mp4. Remember, you can only use one of these three options. Moving on to our next tab, which covers the adding of offers, info, or beacon campaign messages. This is pretty straightforward, as you'll see. First of all, just tap on the relevant radio button to confirm if this is going to be an offer, info, or beacon campaign message. Note that if you select a beacon campaign message, you must have beacons configured in your dashboard, and users will see this campaign message when they are within the beacon's proximity. So let's say you've decided to add an offer. You just tap on the radio button here beside the offer, and then simply fill in all the relevant blank fields, ensuring that the fields with an asterisk, like title, description, start and end date, are all filled in. You should also add an image to better present your offer, info, or campaign message. And for best results, this image should be 210 by 297 pixels wide. You can also add a PDF file and/or include a web link. If you're including a web link, remember to include the name of the web link in the web link text. This is to let people know where the link takes them to. For example, you might have a link to your website, or it could be to a booking link. So just type in either website or booking so people know where the link will take them. Once you have filled in the required fields, just tap on the Submit button, and once again, if that's the only change you're doing, then go to the bottom of the page and click on Update Details to save your changes. The next tab is Add an Event, and once again that's pretty much the same as the above Offers tab. You just tap on the green Add Event bar and once again fill in all the required fields and click on the Submit button, and then Update Details to save changes. The next tab is the Add Loyalty Rewards tab. Here you can add either a loyalty reward or a geo-treasure that enables you to engage your customers through clues to search for a hidden treasure. The number of visits are tracked and logged on both your dashboard and on the user settings menu. If you're creating a geo-treasure, the series of clues that you supply should point your user or customers to look for the hidden QR code that is uniquely generated by the system for you. Once you've clicked on the Submit button and clicked on Update Details to save your changes, then come back to this page and tap on the Print QR button, which will open a window with the relevant QR code for you to print and hide wherever the clue leads the people for them to scan. The next tab, titled Categories, Emails, Web Links and Files, allows you to change or update any of your contact information, upload up to 2 PDF print files, such as menus and rate sheets, etc. Additionally, under this tab, you can also change the business category if that's incorrect, or add your business to more than one category. For instance, like a hotel that might also be listed under restaurants or conferences. You do this by holding your Command button down to select more than one category at a time. Then you can also add an audio file here for your hotspot. Just ensure that it's an MP3 file and no bigger than 4 megabytes. If you have been allowed to upload a banner, you can upload it here with a web link. This banner appears at the bottom of your hotspot page on the app. You can also include up to 3 web links, such as your website, Facebook page, booking site, etc. Make sure you add the web link name to where you are pointing your customers to as well. The next tab is simply where your address and telephone number details are entered for the app. The next tab is Add Another Language, which allows you to translate the details of your business description in up to 6 different languages if required. Note the Hotspot status bar has 3 options. It should be left as active. If inactive is selected, your business will not appear on the app. If imported is selected, then your business hotspot will be classified as a non-advertiser and will not be highlighted or appear at the top of the search results. Lastly, we have Select Push Notification Alert. If you've just created a new offer, reward, event or treasure hunt, and you want to let your followers know, then select the appropriate notification and tap on Update Details. Instantly, all your followers will receive a notification alerting them to this new offer. Thank you for watching our first tutorial video. Future videos will take you through managing subscribers, pushing out text notifications, creating virtual tours, handling reviewer data and metrics and rewards verification, as well as adding and managing beacons for proximity marketing. See you next time.